Hello everyone, this is service team. AMR handyman pro service. And I have a Whirlpool washing machine top load. Have a problem on spin. Working right now. For run the test, I removed the latch mechanism. From here, we just remove a couple screws, and then you can take it out of the latch. W4A16FW2. There's one machine have a problem for spinning. The auger was loose. Have a rusty strip holding from the shaft. Now it's locking in place. And it's spinning good. All I had to do is tie. And was the result. I had to be sure it's spinning, so I removed the latch and I cut the latch, and that way you can open the door and look what the thing does.